China has carried out a land-based missile interception test that achieved its expected purpose, the Defense Ministry said, describing it as defensive and not aimed at any country. China has been ramping up research into all sorts of missiles, from those that can destroy satellites in space to advanced nuclear-tipped ballistic missiles, as part of an ambitious modernization scheme overseen by President Xi Jinping. China have repeatedly expressed opposition to the U.S. deployment of the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense anti-missile system in South Korea. China argued the equipment's powerful radar could penetrate into its territory. It has also held simulated anti-missile drills. China has given few details about its own missile programs, aside from occasional brief statements by the Defense Ministry or in state media.